Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Rocket, prepare to be blown away by what's coming next from Apple. This isn't just another iPhone, this is the future in your hands. Introducing the all-new iPhone 17 Pro Max, a device designed to redefine what's possible. Let's dive into what makes this flagship phone a game-changer. Glowing star. Design and build. Apple has taken design to the next level with aerospace-grade titanium paired with an all-glass construction. The result? A sleek, durable, and astonishingly lightweight device. The iPhone 17 Pro Max doesn't just look good, it feels amazing in your hand. Green apple sparkles. Display. Immerse yourself in the 6.9-inch 120Hz ProMotion XDR display. This stunning screen offers lifelike colors, true blacks, and a refresh rate that adapts seamlessly to your needs. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just browsing, the display makes every interaction feel smooth and vibrant. Mobile phone. Durability. Featuring the new ceramic shield, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is tougher and more durable than ever before. It's ready to handle life's unexpected moments, and protection has never looked this good. Shield. Security. Unlock your world with just a glance, thanks to the revolutionary under-display Face ID. It's seamlessly secure, effortlessly invisible, and faster than ever, offering you a new level of convenience and security. Locked. Performance. At the heart of the iPhone 17 Pro Max is the A19 Bionic chip, harnessing quantum-level computing. Experience unrivaled speed and efficiency, making every task feel instantaneous. From gaming to multitasking, this chip handles it all with ease. Rocket. Camera. Photography reaches new heights with the groundbreaking UltraSense Pro camera system. Featuring stunning 10x optical zoom and the capability for astrophotography that captures the stars, every shot is pure magic. The advanced LiDAR scanner brings unparalleled depth sensing, faster autofocus, and AR experiences so real they blur the line between virtual and reality. Camera with flash. Innovation. Experience direct neural connection for the first time ever. This groundbreaking feature merges your digital and physical worlds, allowing you to control your device with thought, create with intent, and live without boundaries. Light bulb. Memory and storage. Power meets performance with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. Multitask effortlessly and keep everything you need right at your fingertips. More space, more speed, more possibilities. Floppy disk. iOS 9. iOS 9 takes innovation to the next level with seamless multitasking, enhanced customization, and smarter AI integration. It's designed to work smarter, faster, and more intuitively, just like you. Mobile phone with Aero. Battery life. Stay powered all day with the 4,700 mAh battery, ensuring you can stream, work, and play longer without missing a beat. Faster charging, built to last, and now even life-proof. Battery. Style and cause. Make a bold statement with the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the stunning new product red. Sleek, vibrant, and undeniably iconic, stand out while supporting a greater cause. Glowing star. This isn't just a phone, this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The next era of innovation begins with you. Launching in September 2025, starting at $1,250, it's the ultimate blend of cutting-edge technology and premium design. And the wait is almost over.